A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Preparation. Preview the attractions in the park before your visit. Try previewing each ride on YouTube or take a peek at the ride-through photos from others. Learn from what others see. Although some of the bigger rides have on-ride footage, there may be a few short snippets of others that exist that may give you enough of a glimpse of the attraction, more so plays as the entertainment option than the rides that this happens for. This can help decide which rides and attractions will take priority during your visit. Pack water, snacks, money, and most importantly, your park tickets before you leave for the park that day. Plan to arrive at the park before it opens. You are usually allowed in through the barriers before opening, however, you won't have access to most rides. Getting through the barriers early will give you time to pick up a park map and plan your route to the first ride of the day. Entering the park, enter the park and take the first left into the left side of the you just passed the anniversary birthday cake centerpiece. Attractions. Have your children ride the mix and match twiddle tracks. This silly one-person car goes around a guided track using arm power. Using a row-like motion in front of the child, this fun little ride is definitely something to get the children motivated for the rest of the park. However, some of the cars need a little grease on the track, as is apparent by most of the car's squeakiness when the child powers the car. The child may become confused later on in this ride, and the length is quite large and long for its current theming. Enter the seasonal attraction that is open most of the year, including Halloween. In 2015, this area started with a Halloween maze utilizing a story like read on attraction barricades featuring the Sesame Street characters. Something or someone is missing in the Sesame Street group. You read to find what they are missing and where it can be found and where it ended up. Utilize the differently shaped Ferris wheel composed of hot air balloon-looking seat areas on the other limited-time Ferris wheel on the counts around attraction. Skip the snuffy slides. Other than having your kids be able to race each other on double slides, it's got little to no attractable value anymore. Ride Oscar's rotten rusty rockets in a garbage-can-like vehicle on a curvy-shaped track above the rider's head. Much like olden days curve rides on some midway